What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In this video we're going to be going over the cryptocurrency markets and some crypto news. Cardano ADA hit $1.50 yesterday, just crazy how fast this is moving upwards, and third in market cap right now. So we're going to be discussing some cryptocurrency altcoins on Bullish on right now as well. Before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell if you do want to be notified when I release new cryptocurrency videos. Alright guys, so this video is just going to be a quick cryptocurrency market update and some important news articles. Also, I want to give you guys some updates on the channel here. So we just hit 250,000 subscribers last night. Just insane how fast this is growing. Thanks to all you guys for all the support, liking the videos, commenting, sharing the videos with friends and family and on social media. Everything helps and I really do appreciate it. I am going to be developing some crypto products here very soon, and I have an announcement on the crypto membership site as well. I also have the $25,000 cryptocurrency giveaway running right now. 25 people will be getting $1,000 worth of cryptocurrency thanks to SparkPoint for sponsoring this crypto giveaway contest. So if you guys do want to participate in this, there will be a link in the video description. There's daily entries to increase your odds of winning. So very simple stuff like just checking in gives you a daily entry, sharing the daily video gives you a daily entry. Very simple stuff here to increase your odds of winning. So for those that support the channel anyways, this is going to increase your odds of winning. And that's what I do want, is to give back to the people that support the channel the most and have made this all possible. All right guys, so here's the information on the pre-sale for the crypto membership website coming up. So the membership website is going to be its own platform. It's not going to be a Patreon. I want to make this much bigger than that, have much more value added to it. I'm going to be hiring at least 5 to 10 people for the launch of this. And I'm going to be putting a lot of money into making this as great of a platform as possible and provide as much value as possible. In the future, I will be developing some apps for this as well. So the JRNYcrypto membership site info, the pre-sale is going to be on March 7th at 1 p.m. PST. I will keep you guys updated on this and everything, and I will give you guys the price and more info a couple days before the pre-sale. I am going to keep this limited, I think, to the first 1,000 people that sign up for the pre-sale. And then when the official site launches, anyone that wants to sign up can. So I don't want to take too much time right now talking about this, but the pre-sale benefits are listed here. The main thing here is you're going to get 60% off the entire first year. You're going to get early access to private Telegram and Discord groups. And your first year won't start until the official launch of the website. So you will get a couple months access to these private groups for free as well. You're going to get access to the private gem hunter group, which is already established with around 1,000 members. You're going to get updates on altcoins that I'm buying and researching before anyone else. So for the trading series, people that want to get updates before I actually release the videos, that's how you're going to do that. So keep in mind, I'm going to keep doing daily videos here for free on YouTube. So there's great value here that you can continue getting for free. If you don't want to sign up for this, don't feel obligated like you have to sign up for this membership group. This is just for people that want to take it further and deep dive to get more value out of my contents. And I will be hiring people like technical analysis experts and other people to help bring more value to this as well. So I will keep you guys updated and give you guys the price and everything a couple days before March 7th. So jumping into the crypto markets, we had Cardano ADA touch $1.50 last night, which is massive. It's now third in market cap, breaking $40 billion market cap and passing Binance BNB. So Cardano still has a lot of major updates. I definitely recommend checking out my video from yesterday to see all the big updates that are coming. We do have the Merry hard fork coming on March 1st. So we could have a temporary dip on that because some people buy the test nets and sell the main nets. A lot of investors just do that with different altcoins and flip altcoins that way. So I am expecting a small dip, but that will depend on what type of announcements come around that time as well, because that is when projects are going to be able to launch tokens on the Cardano blockchain. So who knows, we could get some major announcements around the first couple weeks of March as well, and then that could definitely push the price up. So I am expecting $2 to $3 for ADA sometime in March if everything goes well. So there is a few bearish articles today on Bitcoin possibly dropping to around 42,000. So a lot of people are skeptical right now. We do have a temporary market correction. So one thing I do want to point out here is crypto global market cap. I do think the point we are at right now is very similar to mid 2017 when the crypto space went from around 15 billion to over 100 billion to 115 billion for the first time. So a 10x the crypto space did in half a year there. And as you guys could see, the crypto space corrected from 115 billion down to 65 billion. So a lot of people would have considered that a major market crash. But then as you guys see, the crypto space continued climbing upwards and eventually getting to the peak of that bull market of $800 billion crypto global market cap, starting from 15 billion going all the way to 800 billion in that 1 year. And of course, the crypto space was not ready at the time. Crypto was not nearly as accessible as crypto is right now. Keep in mind, we have PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, even JP Morgan and other major institutions getting into cryptocurrency this year. On top of that, we have major inflation and more stimulus packages coming. And people are just becoming more aware of cryptocurrency in general with everything going on with the stock market. And that Wall Street bets definitely brought a lot of stock market investors to the crypto space. So I do think where we're at right now is very similar to this mid 2017 peak. And I do think this bull market is only getting started. So it is expected to have a market correction like this, similar to mid 2017, where it went from 115 billion down to 65 billion. That's a pretty big crash. But as you guys can see, it definitely recovered and had a steady incline to the point where there was a lot of retail FOMO and it peaked out at 800 billion. So a market correction is normal and it's healthy, especially after having such a huge run up. We went from $350 billion market cap to over 1.5 trillion. So just like mid 2017, we're going to have a small correction here. We don't know how long it's going to last. But I do see the crypto space recovering and continuing to move upwards throughout 2021, very similar to how it did in 2017 here. So if we do have a similar effect to this, I do see the crypto space getting to anywhere from 8 trillion to 12 trillion dollar global market cap at the peak of this current bull market. And of course, eventually we're going to enter another bear market again, but I do think there's going to be higher lows, and we're never going to see market caps like this again around the 300 billion. So Binance posted today, crypto is growing. Their weekly followers gain for Binance, as you guys can see, it's just exploding upwards, and this does not have a drop off. So that's a good sign that retail interest is continuing to grow. And this means retail interest is going to hold support as people buy the dips and continue dollar cost averaging and accumulating more cryptocurrency throughout 2021. Eventually, all the early investors, the whales that are selling for profits right now, they're going to run out, and we're going to continue moving upwards in crypto global market cap, especially as Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, merchant payments, and all these other major things roll out. Crypto is going to be more accessible than ever, which is a great thing as well. So I definitely see things continuing to move upwards, but a temporary market correction is not the end of the world. A lot of people that are new to the crypto space are panicking, and some are panic selling at a loss. So if you are new to the crypto space, I recommend doing your research. You can watch my dollar cost averaging video. I'll put a link in the top right of this video to my cryptocurrency guides playlist. Lots of very valuable information in there for free. I definitely recommend going through that to get educated and learn how I invest in cryptocurrencies for long-term success as well. All right, guys, so jumping into some crypto news articles. Is Bitcoin at risk of another drop below $40,000 in a historically corrective March? So March has always been a bad month for cryptocurrencies. Tax deadlines are coming up. People are withdrawing to pay their taxes. Last March, we had that major market crash in the stock market and the crypto markets as well. So I do see a temporary dip continuing to play out for certain cryptocurrencies, although the cryptos that are bullish with major events coming up, like Cardano, of course, are going to have major support as people continue to buy. So Bitcoin is showing signs of weakness as February draws to a close. Although it is holding above $45,000, there are articles stating that Bitcoin could drop to the $42,000 to $44,000 support level, and that support level will be critical to hold. If not, we could be dropping into the high 30,000s again. But like I said, that would be temporary if it does, as retail investors continue buying the dips and accumulating throughout 2021. Eventually we'll be moving upwards again. We have to keep in mind institutions are continuing to buy as well, and more institutions are getting in. So institutions is something we didn't have in the last bull run, and institutions are buying up more and more crypto, taking it out of circulation, which basic supply and demand. As supply drops and demand increases, that's only going to push the price upwards over time, especially because we have more and more retail investors at the same time as institutions this time around as well. So we not only have volatility in the crypto markets, but also the stock markets right now. Increasing stock market volatility drags Bitcoin and altcoin prices lower. So it's not only the crypto markets right now, it's also the stock market and other markets. So we have to keep in mind, it's just the time of year. And last March, we had the biggest crash we've ever seen because of the coronavirus panic. And you have to keep in mind, when there's major panic and fear like this provides a great opportunity for people as well. So like Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are being fearful. If you are looking for opportunity to accumulate more cryptocurrency, major dips like that are great opportunity for you. So another big article here, Galaxy Digital co-president explains 2 things deterring institutional crypto buying. With a number of mainstream entities buying into Bitcoin, what's holding some of them back? So these are a couple major factors that eventually will play out and will allow more institutions to buy into cryptocurrency. So the first order problem is safety. And are the assets that they're buying going to be safe and available and secure? So that is a big issue to some institutions and companies, is the safety of cryptocurrency, knowing that they're not going to get hacked and everything, because we have heard of major exchange hacks and billions of dollars being stolen in the last bull market. So that is a major concern. And as we get more ways to protect cryptocurrency and this gets cleared up, we are going to get more institutions feeling safe to buy into cryptocurrencies and hold crypto as a company asset. So the second order problem, particularly for the corporates, is tax treatment. And we do have regulations and everything playing out right now, new people in office. So that is going to take some while to play out as well. But I definitely think towards end of 2021, we are going to have more clarity on this, which means more institutions and corporate companies buying into cryptocurrencies, which is bullish for the long term. So that's it for today's crypto news and market update. I hope you guys found it useful. If you did, a free way to support the channel is like the video, comment below, and share this video anywhere on social media or with friends and family. And don't forget to check into the crypto giveaway to get extra entries if you do want to participate in that. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.